This is equipment that you can use to start off on YouTube. Keep in mind, you don't need any of this equipment that I have to start your YouTube channel. You just need to get started. But let me tell you guys what I use, and maybe that'll help you get started with your videos or give you some inspiration for things you should look into purchasing. So let's get started. Yo, what is going on, guys? Breezy here, bringing you guys a brand new video for today. As I said in the intro, I'm gonna be going over all the equipment that I use on this YouTube channel. It can go from all the way from editing software to camera equipment to just general equipment that I use and things that I have purchased over the last year. So for my camera equipment, I use a Nikon D5600. And that's a camera that I shoot all of my videos on. That's the camera right here that I'm using. That's you guys. Hello. You guys are in my Nikon. What's good? But yeah, so I use this Nikon D5600. It was literally the first camera that I bought for starting off making when I wanted to upgrade my content. The first camera that I used was this little red Samsung camera. I don't even think they make Samsung cameras anymore. But yeah, I started off on a little red Samsung camera, and it was so cute. It was just like such a beginner thing. You don't need a big old DSLR to start YouTube. You just can use your cell phone. So now for the next thing, I use this Canon G7X Mark II, which is the ultimate vlogging camera. If you want to be a vlogger, I would suggest this. It has a flip up screen and everything, and it's made by Canon. I don't know what else to tell you. Canon is literally good marketing for cameras. Which, don't tell my Nikon, but I want to get a Canon M50. It shoots in 4K, which is why I want to get it. And the next thing I use is a GoPro Hero 5 Black. So let's go on, because I'm rambling now about stories that you guys don't care about. So for another thing, for my microphone, I use a Comica microphone. I think that's how you pronounce it, Comica or Comico. I don't remember what's at the end, so don't judge me, people. It's really good microphone. However, if you move it, it's not a good microphone. You hear all the like you hear all of that in it, and I don't like that, which is why we're typically stationary with this. I want to get a Rode, the small one that looks just like this one, but it's Rode. It's supposed to decrease some of that shock value, or the shock is supposed to decrease some of that, so that's what I wanted to get it for. I don't know yet, because this one works fine. So now for the next thing, I actually use this right here. You can't see it, but it's right here. I'll pop up a picture. Boom. This is my new setup, by the way, guys. I got it for this channel when I want to do like sit down videos. So we're gonna be sitting here instead of at the desk, because the desk is gonna be used for product reviews. But yeah, so this is the setup that I'm rocking right now. So we have the whole camera. We have a ring light, but I'm talking about that thing right there, the small HD monitor, OLED screen. So I got that monitor because I wanted to get more into filmmaking. As you guys know, in my last video, I was actually supposed to, I said I was going to talk about this monitor, and look, here I am not talking about the monitor. Because I just feel like, is that even interesting for you guys to want to talk about? I don't even know what I would say about the monitor, because I haven't filmed on it yet. But moving on to the ring light now. You do not need this. I have used the window for all of my videos until the last video. I have used what you can't get better than the sun. So shoot your videos in front of a window, because I guarantee you guys it is amazing. It looks good. Like, trust me, it looks good. You don't have a harsh shadow like I do behind me right now, which I need to get not a key light, because this is my key light. I need to get a hair light, a backlight. And I think I want to get a second color of backlights, like, but I don't know. I don't want to buy too much, because we are moving to Georgia, and I'm going to have a professional YouTube studio for us, guys, for the videos to be better. So hit that subscribe button, guys. You are not going to want to miss. You're not going to want to miss it. All right, now moving on to the editing software, the photo software, to the computer that I use. So you're probably thinking, oh, you just use your gaming computer to do your photo editing, your video editing. Wrong! I actually use my MacBook to edit all my videos, including my gaming videos. I transfer the files over. Yes, I do. So I use Final Cut Pro 10 to edit my videos, because I love Final Cut Pro 10. I don't know why I said it like that, but I love Final Cut, and it's something that's so easy and you can use it very intuitively. I don't know, but it's very easy to start off on. I'm not even joking. It's a high-end editing software that's extremely easy, and it's 1,000 gajillion times cheaper than Adobe Premiere Pro. Me and Adobe, we kind of are clashing heads right now, me and Premiere. Dude, I'm using that for class, and you know how irritating it is? It sucks. It actually sucks to use this for class. You didn't hear it from me. Alright, moving on. Oh, actually, no. Are you guys good with Final Cut? Like, do I need to mention other things? Alright, moving on to my photo editing software. You're probably thinking, oh, you use Photoshop. Wrong answer, guys. I use Affinity Photo. And the reason why I just started using Affinity Photo. My first time using Affinity Photo was in my last video. That thumbnail was created in Affinity Photo. Otherwise, this is my first time like really getting into it. Like, I decided I'm gonna try out the trial. I tested out editing some photos. I'm pretty decent at it, I guess. It's kind of simple, like Photoshop. I'm like a simpleton. So yeah, I use Affinity Photo. And guys, recently, when I say recently, I mean like 2 days ago, my mom bought me a drone. So let me go get the case because I have no idea what it's called. But yeah, she got me this drone. But what? It is a Snaptane Vision Beyond Imagination S5C 4-axis drone. This is what it is, son. That's what it is. Can we get back in focus, please? Yes. But yeah, here's the drone. The drone in its full capacity. It has a camera on it. I want to do a video on this drone, guys. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Here is the controller. You connect it to with your phone. Boom, like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And it goes like whoosh. I'm a bad drone flyer. I tested it out. I'm bad. I'm horrible. So yeah, that's pretty much all the equipment that I use for this channel. I don't use a lot for this channel, but if you guys want me to go in depth on my gaming setup, because I do have upgrades to my gaming setup, but I feel like I've already done that before. But if you guys want to see like the things, like every piece that I go through, I don't know. I didn't go over accessories in this video that I use, so I didn't go over tripods or anything like that. I just pretty much went over the actual basic camera equipment and stuff. Do you guys want to know tripods and things like that? Which I don't know why you would, because that's kind of like you can just go buy a tripod. But yeah, guys, honestly, that's all the equipment that I use. I use 3 cameras, extra monitor, 1 microphone. Yeah, pretty much it's just simple stuff. But if you guys want to know how to start up a YouTube channel, let me know. Hit me up, because that's what we doing on this channel. We talking about equipment and stuff that you can use for YouTube. So yeah, once we move, I am gonna have a cool, amazing setup. Like, trust me, it is gonna be looking great. It's gonna involve this camera, this monitor. I don't know, guys. I can talk about equipment upgrades in the next video that I want to make. Like, I want to upgrade this to a Canon M50. I already said that because it shoots in 4K, and I kind of want to see what 4K footage looks like. I kind of want that to be my beginner YouTube like short film camera, so I can shoot it in 4K and make videos like that, and keep this camera like the specific like YouTube vlog cam, like for these kinds of videos. Like, it'll just stay set up in one spot in front of a set. Oh my god, I'm gonna have my own set. I just realized that. Holy crap. I'm sorry. If you guys enjoyed today's video, honestly, leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe, because you guys are not gonna want to miss this blow up. If you guys want to know anything about any of the equipment that I own, let me know down in the comments below. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.